I'm here with my man Sherif to do a totally voluntary endorsement of what I think is one of the most important pieces of comedic work that we have ever seen, and I think that you all should buy this. It's funny, it's insightful, it's wonderful. I'm doing this endorsement of my own free will. None of my children are hostage. There are no threats of any kind. I think that there are things here that everybody should see, and I encourage you to go out and please buy it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought y'all having a meeting. Oh.
So buy it, and there won't be any trouble. I mean, there will be laughter and merriment and things that we can all enjoy, because after all, we're all the...
Hey, man. Man, I done told you about doing all this freaky deaky stuff, man. That's how Tiger got busted. You need to cut that shit out. That's real, man.
It's funny, it's insightful, it's wonderful, and if you buy it, maybe my family can come home.
Thanks, man. I appreciate you doing this. Can I get your autograph? Sign right there. Great.
Can you hold the...
Yeah. I gotta watch this thing sent to them. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. I'll get you a free copy of this. I gotta go, actually. I'm kind of busy.
Can my family come home now?